Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a Changelly and Monero. The first thing I want you to do is come here to changelly.com, and here I'm in the buy section, and you can choose your currency. Let's say US dollars, we'll stick with this, your amount, and then you can see how much of the crypto you'll be receiving. So let's change this, just search up Monero, okay? And the tag for this is XMR. If you don't see it, you're not in a supported country. So let me go ahead and show you. If you scroll down here, you'll see buy Monero. Let's open this up in a new tab. And you can buy it with a credit and debit card. Okay, all of these payment methods as well. You enter the amount you will be sending. And if you see this message, unsupported exchange pair for Monero XMR, that means you're not in a supported country. So let me show you the countries that they actually accept right here. North America, Europe, and parts of Asia. So if you see that message, okay, that notification, then you're not in a supported country. But what you still can do, you can still come here to the exchange section, okay, and you can use your other cryptocurrencies. Let's say you have USDT with BSC, right, Binance Smart Chain. You can come here and search up XMR, basically Monero. You enter the amount, let's do $50. You'll see how much XMR you'll get. You're doing an exchange. Okay, so if you have a wallet address, come here, click next step, and then you enter your destination address for your XMR. Okay, you can also enter a refund address, it's optional. Basically, if there's an issue, they'll send your USDT back. Okay, and then we come here, click on next step, and what will happen is they'll give you the Changelly address to send 50 USDT to. Make sure you use the correct network, okay? And then you need to wait for 10 network confirmations. After that, the exchange will begin, okay? And you will receive your crypto, your XMR. So really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.